I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. So in today's quick video, we are going to be taking a look at a stock that has had a nice run since early 2020. And the stock can be seen here on the monthly. Ticker symbol is GNRC. And in this quick video, we're going to be taking a look at the breakout that took place sometime in April, May of last year. Since the breakout right there. Now let's do some house cleaning first and save some time here. This method, the concept, and the timing approach that was used is called the Ultimate Muathe Breakout. I'm going to have links to this playlist in the description of the video. If you want to understand more, there's a lot of videos, lots of videos explaining this concept. And to be clear, this breakout alert was highlighted for paid clients as of last year, April the 29th, and you can see the stock is right there. The breakout level was at 103.59. So back to the chart, and right off the bat, if you take a look at this action here, this support, as I always mention, the best and the strongest base formations are when your RSI holds above 69.1 after a nice initial run. Oh, by the way, also, I need to mention that there was a nice move here to here. We can say almost a doubling in price from about 50 to the highs here of about 105. So prior to the breakout that takes place in April, May, prior to that breakout, we had seen a previous successful run. And as I was saying in a previous video, it always makes sense to look left and understand and appreciate and consider whether a stock has had a previous run. The bigger the previous run, the more the odds the market was anticipating a big move down the road. So by the time the stock sets the stage for a potential breakout as of late April of last year, and again, we're talking about moving above this breakout above 103, as was highlighted for my clients there, we can see that at that monthly chart timestamp, the RSI was already, as we mentioned, above 69.1. And we can see that at least one of the MACDs was also moving to 3-year highs. So that's another confirmation of potential strength. And then, of course, there was the price breakout. All of those things added together met the minimum requirements for the Ultimate Muathe Breakout. Hence, the successful move. How long can an instrument stay on a bullish run? Well, this instrument has been holding above 69.1 since July. So we can say that's 1 year, 2 years, working on 2.5 years above 69.1. So yes, instruments can stay very strong for an extended period of time. And this instrument has given other major breakouts right here. And even as of this month so far, there is a new breakout. So all of these are valid since the minimum requirements are being met in the here and now also. But for the purpose of this video and for understanding how to time momentum moves, this breakout, this timing here in April, May is the key reason for this video. And so it is. I am Eric Muathe. It is a great joy to leave you in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth, therefore, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai.